Hi subscribers and viewers of our YouTube channel. We are back again today, and today I'm going to unbox an Android TV box. Yes, I'm going to talk much about an Android TV box I bought recently, and I'm going to unbox it. Alright, so let's take some physical look at some of the features on it. So this is the hardware details, which is 64-bit CPU, FCH.265, 4-core CPU, and it is 6K UHD device. Okay, if we turn the back here, so this is it, this is the model. If we turn the back here, we're able to see the features. Okay, so this is the features. TV Box is the newest generation of multimedia play and home multimedia gateway, which is the best way for you to enjoy the network live. The latest technology based on Android system in the box, and enables many applications including web browser, 2D, 3D games, Skype, QQ, internet video chat, office application software, and so on. TV Box supports high speed of Wi-Fi for network applications. It supports 2.4 GHz wireless mouse, keyboard, and air remote. Support advanced features such as PPPoE, DLNA, and Miracast. So these are some of the features in this Android TV box. If we go further, so let me just, now I'll let you see the physical device. So this is the tiny, powerful small boy. So this is my Android device, my Android TV box. It's a 6K device, and these are the ports. It has an Ethernet port, it has a USB port, it has an AV port, it has an HDMI port, and then the power button right here. So this is how sexy and slick this device looks like. This is how it looks like. Yeah, very nice and slick. This is how it looks like. So it came with it some, this is the power, this is the HDMI cable it came with. Okay, and this is the power adapter it came with. This is the power adapter it came with. And then this is the remote. This is the remote it came with. Okay. Then you have the manual here. This is the manual it came with, which talks details about this device. Okay. Alright, so we now have to go. We need to delve into the device, and then I'll show you the details of it. Alright. Okay, so when it's powered on, this is exactly how it looks like. Yeah. Alright, so at this moment, we are going to go deep into this device and then show folks how it works exactly. Okay, so I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi, and it actually has a Wi-Fi component on this device. So you can, if you don't want to connect via network cable, you can connect through Wi-Fi. So now I'm connected. Okay, so the next thing I have to do is to my date is not correct, so there is no way it's going to work. If I don't correct the date, it's not going to work. So I need to quickly correct this date. I think today is 4th. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I need to change the date, the time as well. I think what's the time by this time? Let me check the time. 9:03. The time is 9:03. So I need to change the date. Okay, so let's say 9:04. Okay, now we can browse. So I'm enjoying my new Android TV box. And I'm going to show you all how it works. Yes. Alright. So I have my Android TV box here now. Okay. Alright. So let me show you how it works. Alright, bingo. So we have our Android TV box working now. Alright. Yeah, it works. Alright. Thank you all for watching. Alright. Thank you all for watching. We will meet again.